welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you a quick and easy crochet hairstyle that you can do during this quarantine. So I know I look like a lioness right now, but it's fine. It's just gonna get cute real quick. So this is the hair that I'll be using today. One of my favorite crochet hair. What I love about this hair is that the curls, they don't go nowhere, they stay still. Okay, and that you don't have to buy 5, 6, 7 of them. You just buy 2 or 3 and you get the job done. Well, it depends on the type of hairstyle you want. But the type of hairstyle that I'll be doing, I don't need more than 2.5. Well, wait, hold on there, because one time I'm gonna use 2 pack. No, if I use 2.5, and I don't know if they start take out more ear out of it, so I'm going to use the whole for 3 pack. But so I'm going to show you how I braid my hair. Then I'm going to show you how I use the crochet needle to apply the hair, and then I'm also going to show you how I style the hair that I'm wearing, because I don't just wear it like this. I don't wear it like this. I always give myself a bob look. It's really cute. So if you want to learn for crochet hair during this quarantine time, stay tuned. Of my hair. So what I'm going to do with the ends of the front corner, I'm going to attach it in the back corner that I will be doing shortly, and then I'm going to create circles, which I call the destroyer, and then I'm going to end up with one single plait at the back. To sew this down, and then we're going to start the whole crochet process. We are going to begin the crochet process, so you have to ensure that you have a crochet needle and it looks exactly like this, or probably different style to the bottom, whatever. And then we are going to get the hair, put it out of the pack, and this hair comes looking like this. So it looks like locks, the soft locks, but I separate them. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to separate them. So with each half you get 3 curls on top, which is even more amazing. By the way, I have more hidden talents. I'm just taking my time to reveal them. I'm just going to apply the hair to the back of my head, and when I reach to the top, I'm going to show you how to use the crochet needle. So now that I'm in the middle, I'm going to show you how I apply the hair, but this time I will not cut it. I won't be cutting it, I will just apply it just as it is. So I'm going to separate the hair to get the curl, and to separate it this long, it's kind of challenging, but we got this, right? To show you how I apply the hair with the crochet needle, first you have to ensure that the needle is open at all times. I'm going to push the needle underneath the corner. Do not push it through the corner or in the corner, because eventually that's going to cause a problem when you want to pull out your hair and the hair is your hair. So ensure that you push the needle underneath the condom. Then you're gonna open it, ensure that it's open, right? You're gonna apply the hair to the loop, close it, and then you put it through. Take the cushion off, create your own loop just like this, and you're gonna pull the hair through and create a knot. And at the end, I normally create another knot, so I will tie it so it stays firm, and that's so I'm going to finish the rest of the hair, and then we are going to see the end result. This is how it looks when I finish applying all the hair to the corners. It's a lot. I look like a damn lion. But anyways, people wear it like this, but I don't like it like this. I think it's too much. But yeah, I'm going to cut and style. Can be styled in so many different ways, and the curls will stay the same, and that is why I love this hair. It is affordable, it is easy to do, and come on, it looks gorgeous. Yeah. Everybody can go to a hairdresser right now during this quarantine, so you can just take up a crochet needle and try it, and you will see how well you will do with it. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can also turn on the post notification bell so whenever I post, you will be notified. Follow my Instagram page at @theanointedglam by Shan, and also my personal page Shan 2025. Thanks again for watching, and remember, stay cute and